Hello students, let us look at a problem on quadratic equation. This is a word problem. A plane left 40 minutes late due to bad weather, and in order to reach its destination 1600 kilometers away in time, it had to increase its speed by 400 km per hour from its usual speed. Find its usual speed. Let us proceed for its solution. Here is the figure. The plane takes off at A and the destination of the plane is at B. Let the usual speed of the plane is x kilometer per hour and the usual time taken is t hour. The distance between A and B is 1600 km as per the question. Now the train left 40 minutes late due to bad weather, and therefore it had to increase its speed by 400 km per hour. Therefore here its speed is x plus 400 km per hour and time taken is t minus this 40 minutes, that means 40 by 60 hour, t minus 40 by 60 hour. Now as we know that time multiplied by speed gives us distance. Therefore according to problem, x multiplied by t is equal to 1600 km, and also x plus 400, this is the speed, multiplied by time is t minus 40 by 60, that is 2 by 3, and this is also equal to 1600 km. Now taking the first two terms, this term and this term, we have an equation here. xt is equal to 1600 and this implies t is equal to 1600 by x. This is our first equation. We have to find the value of x, that is the usual speed of the plane. Now taking the last two terms, this term and this term, here this equation, x plus 400 multiplied by this t is 1600 by x minus 2 by 3, and this is equal to 1600 using the information in 1. Now simplifying, we have x multiplied by 1600 by x, x gets cancelled, we have 1600 plus x multiplied by 2 by 3, that is minus 2x divided by 3, plus 400 multiplied by this, that is 400 multiplied by 1600 divided by x, plus minus minus 400 multiplied by 2, that is 800 by 3, and this is equal to 1600. Now this 1600 gets cancelled, and therefore we have The LCM is 3x. 3x divided by 3 is x. X multiplied by 2x, that is minus 2x square, plus 3x divided by x, that is 3. 3 multiplied by 400 multiplied by 1600, minus 3x divided by 3, that is x. Here it is minus 800x, and this is equal to 0. Now multiplying it crosswise, we have minus 2x square, and it will go on the right hand side, becomes 2x square. Similarly, minus 800x going to right hand side, it will become 800x, and this term going to right hand side, we have minus 3 multiplied by 400 multiplied by 1600 is equal to 0. 3x multiplied by 0, that is 0. Now dividing by 2, we have x square plus 400x minus 3 multiplied by 400 and 1600 by 2, that is 800, is equal to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation in x, and we have to solve it. We can solve it by the method of completing the square, but we are going to solve it with the help of method of splitting the middle term. Now here the middle term is 400, and a multiplied by c is this 400 multiplied by 3, that is minus 1200, and 800. Minus 1200 multiplied by 800. Now we have to look for two numbers such that their sum is 400 and their product is this much. Now we see that 1200 and 800 are going to serve our purpose. Here it is 1200, here it is minus 800. If you add them, you will get 400. And if you multiply, you will get this product. And therefore, these two numbers are going to serve our purpose. That means B can be splitted in 1200 and minus 800. Therefore, in place of 400, we can write x square plus 400 is equal to 1200 minus 800 multiplied by x minus, this is 1200 multiplied by 800 is equal to 0. Now opening this bracket, we have x square minus 800x plus 1200x minus 1200 multiplied by 800 is equal to 0. Now grouping these terms, we have this x multiplied by x minus 800 plus 1200 multiplied by x minus 800, this is equal to 0. And hence we get this x plus 1200 multiplied by x minus 800 is equal to 0. Now if this is 0, we get x is equal to minus 1200, which is negative, and negative speed is not possible. Now if x minus 800 is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 800. This is positive, and therefore it is possible. Therefore x is equal to usual speed. Usual speed of the plane is equal to 800 km per hour, and that will be our आंसर. ओके, थैंक यू. दूसरे वीडियो के लिए